Doing good, I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my Tidycal review and tutorial. Tidycal is a platform that allows users to quickly create a booking or schedule meetings, and you can get started for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto tidycal.com. From there, you can either choose to enter your email address and tap on Use for Free, or you can tap on Sign Up with Google. Once you have selected Sign Up with Google, you'll be redirected to a new page. And once you have verified your email address, you can see right here, you can select which options you would like to give Tidycal access to. After you have done that, you're going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you'll be redirected to your Tidycal dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you'll see 3 sample bookings that have been prepared, as you can see right here. You can either choose to delete them, or you can choose to edit them, or you can choose to create your own new booking. Now, let's say, for example, we wanted to create our own new booking. We'll tap on Create New Booking Type. After you have done that, you could type in a name. So let's say, for example, I'll just say YouTube consultation. So we'll type in YouTube consultation right here in the title. So let me do that real quick. After you have done that, you can see you're provided with a free URL. Then from here, you can add a quick description. So I'll just type in YouTube, for example. After you have done that, you'll scroll down. Then you can set the duration of your meeting. So you can change it from 15 minutes to any amount of time you want. And you can see when are you available for this booking. You can choose whether you're available weekly, and then you can choose the specific weeks, or you can tap on specific days. After selecting specific days, you can tap on Add New Date. After tapping on Add New Date, you can see at the moment it is set at the 5th of the 6th, which would be the 5th of June, the time that I'm doing this tutorial. If you would like to change the date, you can do that by simply tapping on the current date. So let's say, for example, I would like to change it to the 7th. I can do that by tapping on the 7th right there. After you have done that, you can also edit the time. So let's say, for example's sake, I will be available from 9 to 11 p.m. So, or 11 a.m. better yet. So I'm going to change that right there. And then you can also edit this if you want. Once you're finished doing that and everything is to your liking, you can tap on View Advanced Booking Type Settings. And from here, you can see the availability details. So how far out can users book you? So would you like people to be able to book you up to 2 months in advance? If that is the case, you can leave this as is, or you can choose to cut it down if you want. You can also see bookers can't schedule within. So for example, would you like to allow persons to be able to schedule a meeting 2 hours ahead of time? If you would like that, you can leave it as is, or you can increase or decrease the time. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Create Booking Type. After you have tapped on Create Booking Type, you can see Success. Your booking type was saved. So all you'll need to do now, you could copy the link, and from here you can share the link on any social media platform. Once you have shared the link, this is what they'll see, as you can see right here. So they'll see the calendar and they'll see the available time. So all they'll need to do is tap on the time that they'll like to schedule you for. Then they'll be able to enter their name and email address, as you can see right here. It is as easy as that to set up. If we were to go back into the app, I'll also show you some other features that are available. For example, you can tap on My Bookings from the top navigation bar, and here you'll be able to see all of your bookings. You can tap on My Contacts, and here you'll be able to see all of your contacts once they are saved. And if we were to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on the 3 dashes, by tapping on the 3 dashes, you could select integrations. After selecting integrations from here, you can add your Office 365 account. You can also add your Apple account, as you can see right there. And by scrolling down, you can see right here, you can set your primary birthday and so on. And to collect payments, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on payments, and from here, once you're on their paid plan, you'll be able to connect PayPal and other options that you'll be able to receive payment through when someone is trying to do a booking with you. You can also tap on video conferencing right here. And again, once you're on their paid plan, you can see that you'll be able to offer Zoom, and you can also offer Microsoft Teams. But at the moment, the only option that you'll be able to offer on the free plan will be Google Meet. And by the way, talking about plans, if we were to go up to the top right here and let us tap on unlock extra features, you can see the different price range right here. So at the moment, we are on the free plan. And if we wanted to go onto their paid plan, it would start off at $29 per month. And you can see the different features that are available. So you can scroll down and you can see that you'll be able to auto create meeting URLs. You can also set up package bookings and so on. And if we were to go back to booking type, if you would like to embed it on your website, all you'll need to do is tap on embed on website, and from there you could copy the HTML code. You can also embed it in email if you want by tapping on embed in email. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page, and you can see add below the dates you would like to embed to your email. Then you can select the date right there. Once you are finished, all you'll need to do is tap on click to copy the email scheduler. After you have copied it, you'll be able to paste it in Gmail or so on to share it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.